Effect of common broiler house air contaminant. Contaminant ammonia, ideal level less than 10 part per million, can be detected by smell at 20 part per million or above. More than 10 part per million will damage lung surface. More than 20 part per million will increase susceptibility to respiratory diseases. More than 25 part per million may reduce growth rate depending upon temperature and age. Carbon dioxide, ideal level less than 3000 parts per million. More than 3,500 parts per million cause ascites. Carbon dioxide is fatal at high level. Carbon monoxide, ideal level less than 10 parts per million. More than 50 parts per million affect bird health. Carbon monoxide is fatal at high level. Dust damage to respiratory tract lining and increase susceptibility to disease. Dust level within the house should be kept to a minimum. Humidity, ideal level is 50 to 60% after cooling. Effect vary with